Now, staying with India, over 100 candidates have filed nominations across Jammu and Kashmir for the upcoming first phase of assembly elections in the Union Territory. The National Conference, Congress, PDP and BJP leaders arrived at nomination centres with their cadres.
Former Chief Minister Umar Abdullah accompanied Senior National Conference leader Altaf Kallu as he filed his nomination for the upcoming assembly election from Pahalgam constituency. Hundreds of people rallied behind the leaders as they walked towards the RO's office. Jammu Kashmir National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah joined senior leader Hasnain Masoodi as he officially filed his nomination for the Pampore constituency. The National Conference also took out the second list of candidates today, which included the name of Party Vice President Umar Abdullah. He'll be fighting from the Ganderbal constituency.
कांग्रेस के साथ हमने जो सीट शेयरिंग किया है उसमें तो हम पूरी तरह से मुतमईन हैं कि मेजॉरिटी हमारी आएगी.
PDP President Mehbooba Mufti accompanied her daughter Iltija Mufti, a first-timer who filed her nomination from the Bijbehara constituency. Mehbooba Mufti is likely to stay away from fighting this assembly elections.
महबूबा जी और मुफ्ती साहब ने भी अपना सियासी कदम, पहला कदम यहीं पे रखा. तो टुडे इज अ वेरी इमोशनल मोमेंट फॉर मी एंड आई एम ट्रूली ऑनर्ड. हमारे लिए बहुत इमोशनल और पॉइगनेंट मोमेंट था एंड आज मैं मुफ्ती साहब को बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ.
In a big development, former Jamaat-e-Islami members have filed their nominations. The outfit was banned by the Home Ministry. Former members have started coming into mainstream to fight the assembly elections now. In South Kashmir's Kulgam district, Nazir Ahmed Butt, a former member of Jamaat-e-Islami, filed his nomination for the Devsar Assembly constituency.
इधर बहुत नाइंसाफी हो रही थी. मेरे दो भांजे, ये पिछले साल की बात है, मेरे दो भांजे वो उनके बाग के बीचों बीच सड़ूरों में वो सड़क ले ली गई जबरदस्ती, तो उनको अरेस्ट किया गया. तो मैं बहुत नेताओं के पास गया, किसी ने कोई रिस्पांस नहीं दिया. मैंने सोचा ये वो बच्चे यतीम थे. तो उसी वक्त मेरे जहन में आ गया कि क्यों ना मैं भी लोगों की खिदमत करूं.
However, Umar Abdullah took a dig at Jamaat and said that till now contesting elections was haram for the Jamaat-e-Islami, but now it's halal.
अभी तक तो हमें कहा जा रहा था कि इलेक्शन हराम है. अब चलिए अच्छी बात है, देर आए दुरुस्त आए. अब इलेक्शन जो है वो हलाल है और इसमें हर किसी को अब शिरकत करने की जो है बात की जा रही है. हम तो चाहते थे कि उनके ऊपर जो बैन लगा हुआ है वो बैन उठे और वो अपने पार्टी और सिंबल पे आए, लेकिन बदकिस्मती से दिल्ली में वो फैसला हुआ नहीं.
Jammu and Kashmir is going to polls in 3 phases starting on September 18th. The counting will be on October 4th. Hundreds of candidates have filed nominations for the first phase of assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir. But what was most unique was the former members of the banned organization Jamaat-e-Islami also filing nominations. Jamaat-e-Islami members tried hard to get the ban lifted, but since that didn't happen, now they've started filing nominations independently across various districts of Jammu and Kashmir. With video journalist Feroz Idris Lone for WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.